Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see how to share Instagram story to Facebook automatically. So to do that, let's head over to our Instagram. Make sure you have connected your Instagram to your Facebook for that, and then head over to any reel or any post. So let's say we want to share this one. So tap on add to story. So as we want to share it to Facebook too, so tap on this arrow icon and here go to sharing options. So here once you share it, you'll find the option of your story, and here tap on share your Instagram stories to Facebook automatically and tap on share stories. So once you do it, both the and both of your accounts, Instagram and Facebook, the story will be shared automatically. So yeah, this is how to do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.